All right, it's pre-market right now. Had a good move up earlier, around 5:30 Eastern time, but on Friday that same look, it it did not do anything like this. So market wasn't open. I just stayed out. Anyway, here is what it's looking like right now. It's 8 o'clock Eastern time. You have a little 1, 2, 3. It did not break on the YM going down, but it did break on the ES, and it's got a lot of volume. Well, that's not a lot. That's only 275 contracts. No, wait a minute. It's 838. I was had it wrong spot. Up at this point right here, I am very hesitant to trade right now because I have some other things I've got to do today, and I have to. I'm kind of I'm thinking about other things right now. So I would actually look at it in normal trading hours. It's at 48.65 is the low right here. If it breaks it, it should go on down. The MACD is looking good. ES is already, like I said, going down. Not falling, but going down. And if it breaks, it could go on down too. So I'll be back on this later. All right, here's something else I wanted to document for trading reasons. Right here we have the 1, 2, 3 for a reversal. It did not reverse. It did on the ES though, and then turned around and went right back up. So you had that one black candle went up right here, did not go down. That's why I trade the YM, because it's not as skittish as the ES, but the ES is a good guide to go by. It looks like it wants to go up. I don't know. This area is just no man's land right now. But what I wanted to point out for myself in later trading is this 1, 2, 3. You sell below the low here. Well, the MACD is negative, so it's showing it's going down, but the price isn't going down. So that in the past I've noticed that a lot of times that's a good tip off that it's going to go higher. When what you want is a 1, 2, 3 reversal, like here 1, 2, 3, and on the breakout candle, it goes above the 2 position. You want the MACD to cross over. That's just something I've noticed over the years. Like here, it happened again. Right there, boom, going down. Yeah, this wasn't a strong move down. Even though it was heading down, it just wasn't a good one. I may be wrong, but I just wanted to have this on video for future reference. All right, I went ahead and put in an order above the high here at 49.31 is the high. It's still pre-market. It's 8:51, and the market should be opening in about, or will be opening in about 40 minutes, 39 minutes. But the reason I went ahead and put in this order is because it's formed a Darvas box. These low high, the high, low, and then this intermediate area where it's trading. And what I'm looking for is a breakout above the high. If I get in at 32, I'll use a 10-tick stop, and then if it goes down and breaks and bites me, kicks me out, I'll put another buy order in above that new high that was just formed. So that's the plan right now. Just another side note on this, the reason a Darvas box, the way it's set up is you buy above this high, but your stop would go down below this low. And that is 70, that's like that's $300 risk. I'd rather risk $50 and get back in if I need to. This is the 3-minute chart. The market will open in 8 minutes. It's a great 1, 2, 3 right here. Going below the 34, everything's pointing down. If it breaks below 65, it looks like. So I'm going to wait till after the open. I just don't want to chance this. I'm still looking to the north side, even though everything's pointing down, I think, right now. But at the open, anything can happen. And what I would like to see is this ES be over here at this low, getting ready to break down too. And right now, it is not over there. So I'm just going to sit on the sidelines. Here's the 30-minute, 8:30 candle right now. We have another 11 minutes to go before the shakeout happens. So I'm going to be watching this pretty close. I may go on and put an order in. I haven't traded today. And at noon, I have something I have to go to. So if I do trade, it won't be for very long. It's just in and out. And not going to sweat it too much. So just see what happens here in the next 10 minutes. All right, we're coming up in 15 seconds. The 30-minute shakeout is happening. I'm going to go ahead and put the order in above right here. Didn't register. There it goes. 12, yeah. And it's 10 o'clock. Let's see what happens. There it goes. I've got a 10-tick stop. If we can break that overnight high, which I had earlier is at Darvas Box, at 32, it should go on up a little ways. Let's see what the ES is doing. Yeah, ES is looking pretty good. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go up. I'm going to keep my stop where it is right now. And once it breaks the overnight high, which it just did, I'm going to move my stop up. There we go. Well, I'll be back in just a bit. All right, so I moved my stop up to 49.38 below this black candle here. This thing is moving it moved up pretty quick, pretty hard. I just wanted to secure some profit if it comes back, but I do want to let it play around a little bit. I'm up over $300 right now on one contract. I'm shooting for a $500 day, which is 100 ticks. And it just broke 400, so that means I was at, here we go. Let's see how close I am. Up close to my, yeah, at 50.13. It looks like it wants to hit there pretty quick. Well, I'm going to move my stop up below this low right here. That'll be at 67. I'm going to pause it right now. Okay, I went ahead and moved my stop up and got stopped out. So my reckoning on it was it made a little 1, 2, 3. I didn't want to go short, but below that low, but I went ahead and moved my stop up there. It tagged it, made a 1, 2, 3 over here. So it looks like it could turn around right now and go down. I didn't want to be on the wrong side, so I went ahead and I got $310. I'm good with that for the day. I got to go do things. So it could keep on going, but that's the beauty of trading two contracts. But right now I'm just trying to stay a little conservative. So that's it for me today. I feel good about it.